Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. So in today's session we are going to see how to install Maven in Windows. First you can go to Edge browser and go to google.co.in. In that you can search for Maven download for Windows. So in that you click the first link, download Apache Maven. So in that scroll down and come to files. Under that you will be seeing option like Apache Maven 3.9.4 bin zip. Okay, take the second link and click on it. On clicking that, you will be getting the things downloaded in the download folder. Okay, go to the download folder. Now you can copy the downloaded zip file and paste it in D drive. Okay, I already created a folder for automation, that is learn automation. So I'm going to paste here and configure it. Okay, so I already pasted the zip file, so now I'm going to extract it. Okay, I'm extracting the same path, extract it. So now folder is extracted. Now inside that you will be seeing a bin folder. Go inside that and copy the whole folder from the top. Copy it. Now click on search, type environment. You will be getting a result like this. Select the system environment variables. Okay, edit the system environment variables. Click on that. In that you will be seeing option environment variables. Click on that. In this you will be seeing system variables. In that you select the path, double click on the path, and in this one you will be seeing option new. Click on the new. Now paste the path which we copied from the Maven folder. Okay, so that bin folder path is copied and pasted in the environment variable. Okay, so now we have pasted here and you can click OK. So whatever you configure in the system variable, that is applicable for the whole system. Okay, all the user available in the system can use this settings. Okay, so if you are configuring something in the top, you will not be like able to use in the whole system. Okay, so I am configuring the things in the path here. So this thing is done. So now I need to be configuring Maven underscore home also. So that will be useful for automation. We will be seeing that in the upcoming videos. Okay, so now you understand, like we have a config like this, so and we will be using this for automation. So enter maven underscore home and paste the same path and remove bin. Okay, without bin you need to be using here. So click on OK. So maven underscore home is configured, and additionally we also configured in the path folder with the along with the bin folder path. Okay, so we have done both the things. So click OK. So now if you enter maven hyphen version, you will not be seeing the version of Maven now. Okay, so in order to check the version, we have already configured it, but thing is it is not refreshed, so you are not able to see it. Okay, so when you close this and reopen the command prompt from the start, type cmd and click this option. So now if you go and give the same command, you will be seeing the version which is installed here. Okay, so here it is showing like 3.9.4 that is installed. So this is the version which we downloaded. So that is already configured. So Maven can be used for the automation. So when we are using automation, we will discuss more on this. Okay. For now, we have configured the things. So you can check that using Maven hyphen version. You can even use MVN hyphen V. Okay. So this command also gives option to check what is the version that is available in the machine. Okay. Okay. So we have configured Maven in Windows machine. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. We will meet in another video. Thank you.